if you guys want to know how this peach powder from Huda Beauty works on the Indian skin tone, please keep on watching. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing right. This is me, Priya Sharma. I'm a makeup enthusiast and make makeup related videos on YouTube. So today we are going to try out a very viral product and a product that I was personally excited about. It is none other than the Huda Beauty's peach pie powder. When the pink powder came out, I was like, no, that's not gonna work for me. And then Huda just changed the script and it came out with this peach powder. And I was like, yeah, man, this product can just definitely work on me and all the other Indian skin tones that we have. So yeah, I bought this and let's quickly just try this product out because I am really very excited for this product, and let's just quickly run and try this out. So this is what the product looks like. It comes in this kind of a cardboard container, but mine is just covered with this white slips. Myntra has just covered every corner and every angle and every side of this with the slip. I don't know why they always do it with their products. So yeah, they have covered the face only. I can't show anything. So yeah, I have bought the shade Peach Pie, as you already know right now. So it comes in this kind of box, and then we open, and here is our little masterpiece. So this is the Huda Beauty's Easy Bake Powder, the mini edition. So we have the shade name written over here, and the instructions are also mentioned. So this product, the 6 grams one, this mini retails for 800 rupees, and the big size, the full size, which has 20 grams of product in it, retails for 3,250 rupees. And this product is available on Myntra, Tira and Nykaa, and I bought mine from Myntra.com because there was discount going on. So I bought this for 1,440 rupees from Myntra, and I also got One Coat Wow mascara, the mini size, free along with this. So just after I bought this, Nykaa came out with their sale and they were selling the full size for 2,250 rupees, and you can see my invisible tears. I'm crying. So yeah, I've wasted a little bit of money. I could have just bought the full size, but I really wanted to try this out, so I bought the small size only. Let me quickly open this. So I love this thing about the mini variant is that you get this little thing and you just twist it and open it and you get this kind of applicator. Although I don't know why I find this very useless, because बस आप यही कर सकते हो इसके साथ, and under eyes में इसका जाना is very tough. Like how can you go in with this under your eyes and under all of your nooks and corners? Look at this. I can't go in here. So the thing is, ये बहुत ही बड़ा है to go under my eyes, but जो भी है ठीक है, but it's nice for like your entire face, and when you're traveling you get an applicator. So I think traveling के लिए ये अच्छा है. So this is what the applicator looks like. It is a very nice white spongy puffy sort of a thing, and it nicely applies the powder also. Like it is kind of soft, so it does the job. And this is what the inside of the Huda Beauty's powder looks like. It has a little sieve sort of a thing in it. There was a sticker on this to block the powder from coming out. I've taken it off because अब use करना था मुझे. So this is what it looks like. Now थोड़ा सा bummer है इसमें. Something I do not like about its packaging is I have a love-hate relationship with this. So मुझे अच्छा लगता है जैसे ऐसे करके ओपन होता है and has this cute applicator, but now I have to use it and मुझे हर बार ऐसे करना पड़ेगा and take out the product and use it, but that's not really practical all the time. So I have to take it out in a container and then use it with a brush, because otherwise it's not possible. आप ऐसे ऐसे करके भी निकालोगे ना तो भी उतना निकलता नहीं है. You can see कितना ही निकला हुआ है. So yeah, I have a love-hate relationship with the packaging, but I think still it's cute, and brush के साथ we can just make it work. So let me quickly swatch this product for you guys. So this is what the powder looks like. I have applied it with the puff, and now let me quickly apply it with my finger also. So I have the powder right here, and this is what the swatch of the powder looks like. So this is what the powder looks like. It is looking like a white powder. It looks like pound cake shade, but it's not. Let me quickly swatch pound cake beside this. So this is what the shade pound cake looks like. Let me swatch it beside this one. So this is the shade pound cake. So the pound cake shade has a white tone to it, and then we can see that slight peachiness in the peach pie one. So yeah, these two powders are different. Let me quickly show you the shade of this powder. So this is what the shade peach pie looks like. You can see that has that peachish tone to it. Look at this. This is the shade Peach Pie. It is a skin colored powder. The skin color that we used to have in our crayons when we were kids. जब हम cartoons में वो skin color करते थे, I'm just adjusting the brightness. So now that we've swatched the product, let's move on to your favorite part, which is the application of the product. So I've already color corrected my eyes using the NARS Creamy Concealer in the shade Caramel, and now I'm going to use this Lancome concealer. This is slightly lighter than what I generally use, and this is in the shade Bis W, and I'm using this because I want my eyes to look slightly ashy, and I will use the peach powder to see if it corrects my under eyes or not. This is the cap of my PAC Express brush cleaner, and this is empty, and I'm going to take out a little bit of powder from this because I can't use this properly. So I'm going to use my brush and I'm going to take the powder in this. Oh my god, this is so fine. So I have powder in this right now, and on this side I'm going to use it in front of the ring light. So I'm going to bake this now so that I get the brightening effect also, and I also get the color correcting thing of this. And then we'll see if it does anything or not. So I'll let it bake for like 2 to 3 minutes at least. So I'm applying the powder on one half of my face so that we can compare, you know. Now let's just dust off the bake. I don't keep it for very long because I have dry eyes, but I definitely bake my eyes for like 2 to 3 minutes at least. And now you can see the before and the after, and I can definitely see a difference. My eyes look bright, and it has also covered some of the ashiness, and it might not be visible in the ring light, but I'll show you in the natural lighting, the sun lighting, so that you can really see the difference. So let me quickly switch off the ring light. So I don't think it's visible hoga in the normal lighting, but go and show you in the sunlight, because sunlight में सबसे ज़्यादा difference दिखता है. So let's go outside. Okay, so this is what it looks like in the sunlight. This side looks very bright, very beautiful. It looks very seamless. And on this side, we can see ashiness a little bit. If you can see, the ashiness is there and it's not that bright. So I'm going to powder this side in front of you guys so that you can see what difference it creates. So I have the powder in the brush, and now I'm going to, you know, set it. Look at how instantly it has brightened the face, and I'll use it on my entire face now. And look at how bright and beautiful my under eyes look. I love this powder. I love the effect that it gives to the under eyes. So you've seen how beautiful it looks in the sunlight, and the best thing about this is that it blurred out my under eyes, and it also conceals some darkness under the eyes. It really looks very, very nice. And you know, I love sunlight because sunlight never hides anything. Texture bhi dikhta hai. It really shows how the makeup has performed on the face, and you know, you can trust the sunlight wala part of the video because filter लगेगा तो you know you'll get to know. And और रिंग लाइट में फिल्टर लगाओ उतना पता नहीं लगता है, बट सनलाइट में जब भी आप कुछ भी देखोगे you will get to know कि फिल्टर करा गया है नहीं करा गया है. So this looks very, very nice, and just so you know, I do not use filter even in ring light or sunlight. You know, you can always see texture on my face, jitna bhi hai, you will see it. So I do not use filter, and I am really loving my under eyes right now. They look very bright, like very, very bright. Seriously, it has also concealed some darkness around my mouth. The slight grayness that comes, it has concealed that also. So it has definitely concealed the darkness, and it has also brightened my under eyes. And now let's quickly see if it will, you know, correct the ashiness which happens because of some other products like a blush. Let's quickly put this on and see. I'm going to put this on one side only. So this is the Too Faced Candy Clouds blush. This slightly turns ashy on my face. So let's see if the Huda Beauty powder is able to reverse that. Taking the blush and just putting it on one side. So this is how the blush looks. It definitely looks very beautiful shade of pink, but slight ashiness is definitely there on my face. And let's see if it conceals it or not. Although I'm loving the blush, seriously. So we're taking the Huda Beauty's Peach Pie Powder again. And now let's see what magic this creates. So I'm taking a little bit on the brush. Okay, so it has definitely, faded the color away when I applied the powder, but it has also tried to minimize the ashiness. We can see that. I hope you're able to see that. Let me dim the brightness a little so that's visible. So it definitely works like a color corrector too. Like if you forget to put a color corrector underneath, this can definitely act as one, but don't expect it to suppress your darkness a lot. It can just act like a touch-up thing, but it will not diminish your dark spots or darkness that's visible or ashiness that's visible. It will definitely minimize this because it really looks nice. The blush looks very natural on my face. Earlier it was looking slightly ashy, like very slightly ashy, and now it looks nice. Although it might not be visible to you, it is visible to me. And yeah, I like this and I like the powder, how it worked on my blush. And now let me quickly come back after doing my full face. So I'm back after doing my full face of makeup, and this is what my under eyes look like. So the powder hasn't creased even a little bit. So now let's quickly talk about this product more. So starting with how it looks, so it gives a very nice blurred out effect under my eyes. Like it does not emphasize any kind of texture or pores under my eyes, and it is also not very drying. Like people with dry skin can definitely go for this powder because I have super dry skin, and any kind of baking done under my eyes makes them very dry, and it really makes me feel like I should put a lot of moisturizer under my eyes. So that's what this powder doesn't make me feel like. It is nice and hydrating in a way. And if you think that this powder makes your under eyes crease, then you should definitely bake a little bit. Like I have dry under eyes and I do not like baking at all, but what my technique is, I take a little brush, take this little powder and just dab it. थोड़ा सा I leave the powder to let it set. So जहाँ से भी आपका concealer बहुत ज़्यादा crease होता है, put the powder over there, let it sit for like 2 or 3 minutes and just dust it off. If I do not use this technique, it will make my concealer crease every single time. So I bake with this powder. This powder is specifically made for baking. So if you expect this powder to not make your concealer crease, then you should definitely bake with this like 2 or 3 minutes. It will make much of a difference. Like it will make a major difference. In the beginning, when I started using this powder, my concealer used to get creased a lot because I used to use the Anastasia powder and that is kind of drying. So it requires very less time to bake. So I used to just put it like this and I was done. उसके बाद मेरे को need नहीं होती थी to powder my face, but वो drying था. I used to feel dry under my eyes, and after using this, you need to bake it for 2 to 3 minutes. But after that, you're good to go. It will not crease. So it has been like more than an hour or so that I've powdered my concealer, and the concealer hasn't creased at all. The crease that you see here is because when I went outside and applied the powder, तब वो already crease हो चुका था and I powdered on top of it, तो crease रह गया है. So except for that, you cannot see any creasing going on under my eyes. So yeah, it's great. This powder is light as air. It is really very finely milled. Like it does not have that very big particle size that it makes your under eyes heavy and cakey. It is very light and the particle size is so small that it just blurs out everything under the eyes. Also, it eliminates the shine under the eyes. Now you'll be like, ये तो हुडा ब्यूटी के पुराने पाउडर में भी होता था. So what's new? Like what's the speciality of this peach powder? हम ये peach powder क्यों खरीद? मतलब normal वाला भी सही work कर रहा था. The main thing about this peach powder is that the peach color in this, it's not very orangey. Like if you think of peach powder, you'll think of a very orangey tone powder, and you'll think if I apply this powder, it will turn my base into orangey sort of a tone, and I do not want that. So I had the same thing in my mind, but the second thought that I had was that it can also correct the darkness and everything under my eyes. So I was like, I really need to try this product, and I went ahead and bought this. So this has that perfect kind of a peach shade in this. So you can see the powder is not very orange, it is peach tone. It is very light peach tone, so that will not turn your base orange for sure. And the most important thing about this powder is that it bridges the gap between the neutral shade of the powder and the warm shade. इन दोनों के बीच में कोई shade नहीं बना है. And I personally have very slight warm tone to my skin, and I can go for light neutral shade as well, and then I can go for the starting shade of the warm tone. So मैं दोनों use कर सकती हूँ. So I went ahead and bought the Pound Cake shade. This is a neutral powder shade, and when I go for the banana shade or the shades that have yellow tint to them, they look very yellow under my eyes, and they always make my under eyes yellow, and I do not like that. So I bought the shade Pound Cake so that it doesn't make my under eyes yellow. Banana kind of shades make the under eyes yellow, and I hate that. So I had to settle for this neutral shade. But whenever you go for shades like these, like which have neutral in them, even if you are slightly warm toned or you have dark circles, they make your under eyes slightly gray even if you put a color corrector underneath. So this shade is what does the magic for me. It bridges the gap between both the shades. It is very beautiful. It literally conceals that darkness, that slight darkness under the eyes, and it also doesn't make your eyes look ashy, and it also brightens the under eyes. So it does all for me, and I think I'm going to switch my Pound Cake powder with the peach pie. And I feel every Indian skin tone girly should have this powder, especially if you have a shade somewhere near me, because मैं अपने पे यूज करके देखा है पाउडर अब तक, एंड मेरी स्किन पे बहुत अच्छा टर्न आउट हुआ है. दिस हैज बिकम माई फेवरेट पाउडर. लिटरली आई एम रियली ऑब्सेस्ड विद माई अंडर आईज, बिकॉज थोड़ा सा भी अगर वो ऐशी दिखता है, आई जस्ट गो एंड वॉश माई मेकअप. मतलब आर्या पार वाली सिचुएशन है. आई डू नॉट लाइक ashiness under my eyes, and also it really nicely works on blushes which turn you ashy. So if a blush makes you ashy, just put this on like I've showed you in the video also. It tames down the ashiness. So yeah, this worked very beautifully for me, and इसे मैंने imagine करा था वैसे ये product turn out हुआ है, and I seriously love this. जब pink powder release हुआ था, I was sure कि मेरे लिए work नहीं करेगा, because light pink tone की चीजें ना, they look very ashy on my face, and I was sure कि ये तो मेरे लिए नहीं चलेगा. But when they came out with peach powder, I was like, yeah, this can work, and it definitely has worked on my skin tone. So I have discussed all the important points, and seriously, genuinely, I really like this powder. I mean, it's always your choice what you want to choose from, but if you're someone who is very similar to my skin tone, just try this. And if you have ashy under eyes, then also definitely try this. बहुत बड़ा size नहीं लेना, start with this one. अगर ये work करे, go for the bigger size. But seriously, this is a very nice product. So I really do not get surprised when I see makeup products, because mostly सब similar ही होता है, कुछ इतना major difference नहीं होता है. But when I use this product, like this is a new thing, especially Indian makeup market में ये product अभी इतना viral नहीं हुआ है. But I think this is a great product for Indian skin tone, especially because Indian skin tone में थोड़ा ashy ज़्यादा हो जाता है under eyes, and I think this works very beautifully for it. It has worked like a magic for me. I am seriously switching my powder from this to this, and since the day I've bought this, I have been using this continuously. So if you have watched my haul video, then after that मैंने हर वीडियो में यही powder use करा है. So do check that out. You will see a little bit of a difference. So now let's do a fragrance test. So it has the same fragrance that all of the Huda Beauty powders have. So if you're sensitive to fragrance, apply करने के बाद वैसे fragrance आती नहीं है, but still if you do not like fragrance at all, then this product has a lot of fragrance in it. But yeah, it has that sweet Huda Beauty's signature fragrance that it has in all the powders. This one has fragrance too. Yeah, now that we've discussed all the important points, let's quickly list all the pros and cons. So the pro is, especially of this particular shade, is that it is very much suitable for Indian skin tone. It turns your ashy under eyes into a very nice and brightened under eye. It brightens and corrects your under eyes. It neutralizes your ashy blush or your ashy face. And the fifth point is that I will enlist all the pros of the normal Huda Beauty powder, because this is just the same formulation in a different shade. So yeah, it is light as air. It bakes very, very beautifully. It does not dehydrate my eyes. It is not patchy at all. And all the great things that the Huda Beauty powder has in it are all the pros that this powder has too. So yeah, there are only praises for this product from my side at least, and there are no cons. So I'm not going to enlist any con. And to be honest, I'm going to rate this powder a 10 out of 10, and I don't think I've ever rated anything 10 on 10 on my channel till date. But I think this literally is the product for me. Like, this is the one product that I will immediately buy if all of my makeup gets lost. This is going to be the first powder that I'll buy. So yeah, I know I've appreciated a lot, but I think this product deserves any and all kind of appreciation that I can give to it. So yeah, this is it for the video. I hope you guys like this review. If you end up buying this product, please do let me know your views on this. Or if you already have this powder, please share your experience in the comment section below. I'm really excited to hear your stories as well. Comment down below and let me know. I reply to all the comments that come on my video. So yeah, please don't shy out and just let me know your stories. So if you've watched the video till here, please don't leave without subscribing the channel. And yeah, this is it for the video. If you like the video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Bye.